Take the leap. Do something random. Keep your intentions pure, follow your heart, and love each other. Let your dreams take flight as we all together walk on into a new generation. Let us break our fears of communicating and feelings and lead back to the ways of the truth. You must love. You were created in love, and you will surely die if you do not have it. Love does not want to take away, or impose, or steal. It gives selflessly in its need for survival, not for any other purpose but to bloom for the coming of spring and to fruit in the love of itself. And honestly, whoever else gets to enjoy simply gets to enjoy. It just is.